My name is Liam.
My name is Kelvin. My name is Gabriel.
And my name is Efon. We have come before we will make an interview.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Melda Ivanova Manisha. You can call me Melda.
Where do you live?
I live on Sungai Bening Street.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
What is your hobby?
My hobby are singing and drawing.
Okay, thanks for the interview.
See ya.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Excuse me. What is your name?
My name is Martin Luther. You can call me Martin.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Where do you live?
I live on Sederhana Street.
What are your hobby?
My hobby is playing badminton and also I can also type keyboard. Yeah, that is my hobby.
Thank you for the interview.
You are welcome.